Hi, my name's Laurie. I'm here today with Look Fantastic and Pixi. We're celebrating both of their birthdays this month, so I'm going to be taking you through a party get ready with me. I'm going to start off with the ultimate glowy skincare routine and then create a pretty glittery makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. So I've just gone off camera to cleanse my skin and remove my makeup. I started off with the retinol jasmine cleanser. I then used the vitamin C juice cleanser, and this brightens and protects the skin. I'm now going to use the rose tonic. I use this in the evening to just calm and soothe the skin. The next step, I'm going to use the hydrating milky mist, and this is packed with ingredients that are anti-inflammatory and it preps for the first step of moisture. Before putting on my makeup, I like to use the jasmine oil blend. For the final step, I'm going to use my vitamin C lotion. I use this every day in my skincare routine. It also brightens and hydrates the skin and leaves it feeling super soft. My skin is all prepped and ready for the makeup. I'm going to start off with the primer, and this is the Flawless Beauty Primer. I'm going to use the Pat Away Concealer. This is a good base for the eyeshadow. I'm just going to dab a dot on both eyelids and just blend these in with my finger. The eye palette I'm using today is a collab with Heart Defensor. The first shade I'm going to use is the lighter shade, and this is called Oh He Got Money. The next shade I'm going to use is Feb 4th, and it's more of a light orange colour, and I'm just going to drag it onto the outside of the eye. I'm now going to apply the shade Always Dancing using the same brush and just blend all three colours together. Moving on to the darkest shade in the palette, we've got Lip Sync, and I'm going to use the same brush so all the colours blend in, and I'm only going to put this shade on the outer corner of the eye. The final two shades I'm using from this palette is the Best Fam and Philippines. I'm going to mix the two together and just use my fingers to apply to the inner corner of my eyes. To finish the look, I'm going to add a bit more glitter, so I'm going to be using a liquid fairy light from Pixi Pretty's collection, and it comes with a liquid lipstick and the liquid fairy light. And I'm just going to use the applicator to apply it above the glitter that's already there. I'm going to come back to the eyes later, but for now I'm going on to the skin. I'm using the Correction Concentrate in Brightening Peach, so I'm just going to use my finger and just dab it on underneath. I'm going back to the Pat Away Concealer, and I'll be putting this on top of the colour correction. I'm just going to use a flat brush to blend it in. And at this point I can also correct the eyeshadow and if we have any fallout. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the Beauty Balm, which is a high coverage foundation. I'm using this in the shade 1, and what's really good about it is that you can actually build it up, so if there's spots where you need more coverage, you can just add more foundation to those parts. I'm going to go ahead and use the Quick Fix powder just to fix up my T-zone. You literally just have to tap the sponge on your face and the powder comes out. So I'm going to use this on the T-zone. For blusher and bronzer, I'm going to be using one palette, and this is the Pixi Glow Cake. You can even use highlighter if you want to. This is the shade Gilded Bear Glow. For highlighter, I'm going to be using this palette, which you've seen me using as a mirror because it's really, really handy. So I'm going to be using the shade Lace and Clutch mixed together, and I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm going to mix the two shades Fur Babies and Philippines together. I'm going to go ahead and use the Large Lash Mascara because I really want some volume on my eyelashes. Already my eyelashes are looking so much more fuller. I'm going to be using the Natural Brow Duo. Using the pencil side, I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. To finish the look, I'm going for a matte beige liquid lipstick. I feel like this is the perfect shade to just bring the look together. I'm going to go and quickly fix my hair, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. As you can see, this is the finished look. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment below, and don't forget you can shop the full products at Look Fantastic.